Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something exciting in store for you. Get ready to dive into a world of adventure, knowledge, and entertainment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Let's get started. Everything you need to know about auto insurance. Most people know they need auto insurance, but many do not know the ins and outs of what it actually entails. This article will give the reader a brief overview of everything they need to know about auto insurance. Auto insurance is a type of insurance policy that financially protects drivers in the event of an auto collision. Auto insurance provides coverage for property damage and bodily injury to the policyholder and other people involved in the accident, up to the policy limits. It also offers protection against lawsuits that may be brought against the policyholder as a result of the accident. Most states require all drivers to have some form of auto insurance, and it is illegal to drive without it. There are different types of auto insurance coverage, and the amount of coverage required by each state varies. The most common type of auto insurance is liability insurance, which covers the policyholder for any damages they may cause to another person or property in an accident. Other types of auto insurance coverage include collision and comprehensive insurance, which cover the policyholder for damages to their own vehicle, medical payments, or personal injury protection insurance, which covers the policyholder's medical expenses, and uninsured or underinsured motorist insurance, which covers the policyholder for damages caused. 1. What is auto insurance? 2. What are the different types of coverage? 3. How do insurance companies determine rates? 4. How can I get the best deal on auto insurance? 5. What else do I need to know about auto insurance? 1. What is auto insurance? Auto insurance is a type of insurance that helps to protect against financial losses in the event of an accident involving a vehicle. It can cover repairs to the vehicle, as well as medical expenses and damage to property. There are a number of different types of auto insurance coverage, and each one provides a different level of protection. The most common types of coverage are liability, collision, and comprehensive. Liability coverage protects you in the event that you are responsible for an accident that results in injury or property damage. Collision coverage pays for repairs to your own vehicle if it is damaged in an accident. Comprehensive coverage provides protection against damages caused by events other than collisions, such as fire, theft, or vandalism. Auto insurance is required in most states, and there are a number of different ways to obtain it. You can purchase a policy from an insurance company, or you can get coverage through a group plan, such as those offered by many employers. When you are shopping for auto insurance, it is important to compare rates from different companies. You should also consider the type of coverage you need and the deductible amount you are willing to pay. 2. What are the different types of coverage? There are 4 main types of coverage in an auto insurance policy: liability, collision, comprehensive, and uninsured/underinsured motorist. Here's a quick rundown of each. Liability coverage. This is the coverage that pays for damages that you cause to other people or property in an accident. It's required in almost every state, and it's typically the cheapest type of coverage. Collision coverage. This type of coverage pays for damage to your own vehicle in an accident. It's not required by law, but if you have a loan or lease on your car, your lender will probably require you to have it. Comprehensive coverage. This type of coverage pays for damage to your own vehicle that's not caused by an accident, such as theft, fire, or flood. It's not required by law, but it may be required by your lender. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. This type of coverage pays for your medical expenses and damages if you're hit by a driver who doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough insurance to pay for your damages. It's not required by law, but it's a good idea to have it if you live in a state with a high number of uninsured drivers. 3. How do insurance companies determine rates? When it comes to auto insurance, there are a lot of factors that go into how insurance companies determine your rates. Some of these factors are within your control, like your driving record, while others are out of your control, like where you live. Here are some of the most common factors that go into how insurance companies determine your rates. 1. Your driving record. Your driving record is one of the most important factors that insurance companies consider when setting your rates. If you have a clean driving record, you can expect to pay lower rates than someone who has a history of accidents or traffic violations. 2. Your location, where you live, also plays a role in how much you'll pay for auto insurance. If you live in a high-crime area, for example, your rates will be higher than someone who lives in a low-crime area. 3. The type of car you drive. The type of car you drive also affects your insurance rates. If you drive a high-end luxury car, for example, you can expect to pay higher rates than someone who drives a more modest vehicle. 4. Your insurance history. Your insurance history is also a factor that insurers consider when setting your rates. If you've had auto insurance for a long time, you're likely to pay less than someone who is new to insurance. 5. Your credit score. Your credit score is another important factor that insurance companies consider when setting your rates. If you have a good credit score, you can expect to pay lower rates than someone with a poor credit score. These are just a few of the factors that go into how insurance companies determine your rates. If you want to get the best possible rate on your auto insurance, it's important to shop around and compare rates from different insurers. 4. How can I get the best deal on auto insurance? Auto insurance is vital for all drivers, but finding the best deal can be a challenge. However, there are a few things you can do to help ensure you get the best possible deal on your auto insurance. First, consider what kind of coverage you need. There are a variety of different coverage options available, and not all of them will be right for everyone. You'll need to decide what level of coverage you're comfortable with and what you can afford to pay. Next, shop around. Get quotes from a variety of different insurers to see who can offer you the best rate. Be sure to compare apples to apples, though, and make sure you're comparing the same level of coverage. Finally, don't be afraid to negotiate. Many insurers are willing to negotiate on price, so it's always worth asking. By following these simple tips, you can be sure you're getting the best deal on your auto insurance. 5. What else do I need to know about auto insurance? There are a few other things to keep in mind when it comes to auto insurance. First, your insurance may not cover you if you're using your car for business purposes. If you're driving for a rideshare service like Uber or Lyft, for example, your personal auto insurance policy may not cover you. You'll need to check with your insurance provider to see if you need to purchase a separate commercial policy. Second, if you're involved in an accident, you may be required to pay a deductible before your insurance company will pay out. A deductible is the amount of money you'll have to pay out of pocket before your insurance company kicks in. For example, if you have a $500 deductible and you're involved in an accident that causes $2,000 worth of damage, you'll have to pay the first $500 and your insurance company will pay the rest. Third, it's important to keep track of your insurance policy's expiration date. If you let your policy lapse, you may have to pay a penalty to reinstate it. And, if you have an accident while your policy is lapsed, you probably won't be covered. So, be sure to set a reminder for yourself to renew your policy before it expires. Fourth, auto insurance premiums can go up if you have accidents or traffic violations on your record. If you keep your driving record clean, you can often qualify for discounts on your premium. Finally, be sure to shop around when it comes time to renew your policy. Insurance rates can change from year to year, so it's worth taking the time to compare rates from different companies. By shopping around, you could save yourself a significant amount of money on your premiums. Auto insurance is a must for anyone who owns or operates a vehicle. It protects you financially if you are in an accident or your car is stolen. You should shop around for the best rates and coverage and review your policy regularly to make sure it still meets your needs. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed creating it. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content coming your way. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.